Steps on how to install a device driver. Step 1. Identify your hardware before downloading. You need to know what parts are in your build. You need to know your motherboard brand and model, and graphics card, and processor. Step 2. Establish an internet connection or get a USB drive. If Windows does not automatically detect your Ethernet or Wi-Fi, you won't be able to download files directly. If you have no internet on other computer, go to your motherboard manufacturers. download the LAN or Wi-Fi wireless drivers and transfer them to a USB flash drive. Plug the USB into your PC and run the installer. Step 3. Device drivers. These are the most critical drivers to ensure system and components and communicate properly with Windows. And you need to know the model code of the motherboard and download and install the chipset driver first, and download and install the audio and LAN and driver. So if you haven't already, restart your PC. Step 4. Install graphics card. Windows providers a basic display adapter, but you need official drivers to get the maximum performance and resolution your monitor.